welcome to my video. Today we're gonna draw a toucan and for that you need a piece of paper. So first we're gonna fold the paper into half. I don't know how to do it, but it's a foldable where you have to fold it very nicely so that it won't get into normal paper again. So first, we're gonna do the branch. The branch is gonna be a little bit curvy. And then draw another curvy line below it. And then draw a little white puffy cloud. And draw some little circles in it. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna make the tail at the bottom and make its little feet. So you're gonna do a W and so W and then a curve on top. 2 W's and curve on top. So the other branch coming out will have to reach to the top of the paper and we're gonna cross the middle. Whatever you want. You can also put little branches in it. Now we're gonna make a little circle the top of the paper. A little circle in the other circle and just color it in. And leave that. Now we're gonna draw another circle over here. We're now gonna fill anything in. And then we're gonna draw a something like this. And you need a longer, but I'm just doing it like this. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna make the body. So you're gonna first do this. Okay, S line and then another S line. So I did something wrong with the feet and the tails. Wait, let me draw them again. So friends, we're gonna do like this. Okay guys, now we're gonna make the sun. Now, a rainbow. If you want to do a rainbow, you can, and you can do it. So here's the rainbow: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. So here's a trick how to remember them. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. It's more like a 10, but it's actually a rhyme. It's actually a poem. It's from Mickey Mouse. And if you want, you can do it. You don't have to do it. If you want, you can just do it. We're almost finished, but we need to draw leaves. Do you know how to draw leaves? If you don't, let me show you. So here's the leaf, but this leaf is very wrong. First, you draw a line. And then make a point. Same on the other side. You can do it any way you want, actually. Like here, if you want it to be in the fall, you can do it in the fall. All is done. Now we're gonna make the wing, the side wing, and draw a little bit like the drawing. That's gonna be the wing feathers. Now we need to do the pattern. So you need to draw a line here and draw a line here. And if you want, you can do the pattern like I'm doing it. Now we're almost done. We just got a color. So now on the big we're gonna do this either did the line, you're gonna color that blue. And then if you have olive blue, you're gonna just color 1 and then 2. And if you don't have olive blue, that's fine. You can just use dark blue. Gonna do the feet. So for the feet, we're gonna do orange. The tones. Mama. Now we're gonna color the branch brown. And then, if you want, you can also do white on to make it a little bit lifelike. Yellow will be over here on the outside of the eye. Do the sun. The sun is the same color yellow, and if you want to, you can also do yellow and white. Also yellow and orange if you want. We're gonna do the white on the orange and yellow if you want. If you want to do just yellow, you can. If you want to do yellow and orange, you can. And if you want to do mixture of yellow, orange, and white, you can. We're going to do the body of the toucan. You're going to need black. We're going to do the... wait, let me get my dart. First, you're gonna do red. Don't color the whole thing red. Just color one row red. I'm gonna do red. Now just the orange and the other colors. I know that this is not realistic, but we have to do it like this. We just need to name it. So, name, Toco. It would be Toco. Now, outlining. Now our drawing is all finished. I know you did not get to see the other parts, but it's actually finished. This is the final result of the drawing. Thank you for watching my video. Bye. See you next time.